Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayers, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Well, hi there and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for September 24th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionSource.net. Let's start off with a look at a weekly chart of the US dollar index. Well, the US dollar index held onto the 79 support last week, lending credibility to a retracement higher after such a substantial drop over the last several weeks. The daily chart reflects the short-term consolidation within the 79.80 zone. A break below 79 opens the window for a continuation lower, with 78 as the next support. Next up, the CDD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the 96.97 level remains a key support, and we are open to a retest of this level. However, a break above 98 signals a follow through to the upside, with 99 as the next target. Let's take a look at the YUK, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Well, the YUK remains range bound. However, the pair closed last week with a retest of the 78 support. A bounce here opens the window for a retest of resistance at 79. However, a break below 78 signals a continuation to the downside. Let's take a look at the EUI, the US dollar versus the euro. Well, the EUI bounced at the 76 support, and a reversal is likely to test lower towards 75. However, a break above 77 suggests a continuation higher. The trend in force remains to the downside. Let's take a look at the BPX, the US dollar versus the British pound. Well, the BPX is poised for a continuation lower after a very slight bounce last week. While the trend remains down, a break above 62 opens the window for a retracement higher, with 62.5, 63 as an upside target. However, a break and close below 61.50 lends credibility to a continuation lower. Let's take a look at the US dollar versus the Australian dollar as seen here in the ISE FX Options pair value AUX. Well, the AUX held support at 94 and bounced last week, only to reverse towards the end of the week, which suggests a possible retest of 95. However, a break back above 96 suggests a continuation to the upside. Let's take a look at our key points. First of all, the US dollar index spent last week consolidating just above the 79 support. A break above 79.5 should signal a continuation higher this week. However, the short-term trend remains down. The CDD hit 98 and pulled back last week. However, we suspect a follow-through to the upside to test 99. The YUK continues to be range-bound, and after a brief pop higher, is back down testing 78 as support. A break below 78 confirms a continuation of the downtrend. The EUI bounced at 76 as anticipated, but stalled with a test of 77. A break above 77 signals a continuation to the upside. The BPX spent the week consolidating with the 61.5, 62 support level. A break above 62 opens the window for a move higher. The AUX retraced higher to test 96 and pulled back last week. We may see a retest of the 94.95 support this week. However, a break above 96 lends credibility to a move higher. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for September 24th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionSource.net reminding you to sign up for your free workshop at www.optionsource.net.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in US dollars and have a European-style exercise.